Welcome to online class. Good morning students. Today we are going to study about the exercise 2.4 miscellaneous practice problems. Number 1, question number 1. A wheel of a car covers a distance of 3520 centimeter in 20 rotations. Find the radius of the wheel. So what is given in this problem? A car covers in the distance 3520 centimeter in 20 rotation. Then you have to find the one rotation. So one rotation means that is called the circumference of the wheel. Okay, that is the circumference of the wheel. Then what do you find? To find the radius of the wheel. First we are going to find the circumference. How do you find the circumference of the wheel? That is a distance covered by circular wheel in 20 rotation is equal to 3520 centimeter. Therefore, distance covered in one rotation is equal to 3520 divided by 20. Is how do you find that one? We are going to division. So how do you find that one? You have to do that one. 3520 divided by 20. That is in numerator having 1 0, denominator having 1 0 get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. Then divided by 2. Is how many times 2 goes into 3? 1 times. 2 ones are 2. Balance what? 1. Is add to 15. How many times 2 goes into 15? 7 times. 2 sevens are 14. Then balance 1 add to 2, 12. That is how many times 2 goes into 12? 2 6 are 12. That is answer is 176 centimeter. Therefore, that is one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel. Therefore, the circumference of the wheel is equal to 176 centimeter. Can you understand how do you find the circumference of the wheel? Next, we have to find the what is given in this problem. Circumference you have to find that one. Next, we are going to find the radius of the wheel. How do you find the radius of the wheel? We know that what is the formula for circumference of the circle? Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r, that is a given. Radius is given. Radius is there. You have to find the radius. Therefore, you are going to apply this one. Two formulas are there. One diameter is given. Another one radius is given. Diameter is given mean 5d units. Diameter is radius is given mean 2 pi r units. Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 276. So 2 into that is pi you have to replace by 22 by 7 into r is equal to 176. Therefore, you have to find out radius of the wheel. How do you find the radius of the wheel? R is equal to 176 into that is 22 by 7 can be written as 7 by 22. That is the reciprocal. 2 by 1 can be written as 1 by 2. That is you have to find that one. 176 into 7. Okay, can you understand all of you? Next, divided by 2 into 22. That is 2 into 22. How do you find it? 2 ones are 2. You have to put it 1. Then 2 8s are 16. Can you understand all of you? 2 8s are 16. Balance 1. Again add to 6. You have to got it 16. Again 2 8s are 16. Okay. Next 22 ones are 22. Then 22 4s are what? 88. Can you understand? Next remaining numbers 4 into 7. That is 4 into 7 is equal to what? 28. Therefore, R equal to 28 centimeter. So, radius of the wheel is equal to 28 centimeter. Can you understand all of you? Now, we are going to move on the second sum. How do you move on the second sum? You know that one. The cost of fencing a circular race course at the rate of rupees 8 per meter is rupees 2112. Find the diameter of the race course. So, what is given in the problem? The cost of fencing of a circular race course at the rate of 1 meter is per meter is equal to rupees 8 is rupees 2100. That is the cost of fencing in the circular race course is equal to rupees 2112 at the rate of rupees 8 per meter. Per meter means 1 meter. So, what do you find to find the diameter of the race course? So, how do you find the diameter of the race course? You have to see that one. The second sum is the cost of fencing the circumference. The cost of fencing of the circular race course, that is the circumference, is equal to rupees 2112. That's the cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to rupees 8. Next, circumference of the circle. So, how do you find the circumference of the circle? So, cost of fencing the race course divided by is a per meter. Cost of fencing per 1 meter. Okay, how do you find that one? You have to divide that one. So, 2112 divided by 8. So, can you understand? Is a divided by 8 mean? Is a we have to take 21. How many times? 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Is a 2 times. Balance what? 21 minus 16. How much? 5. That is add to 151. How many times? 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are. Okay. 8 6 are 48. Is a 6. Is a 51 minus 48 what? Is a 3, 32. That is add to 3, 32. How many times? Is a 4 times. 8 4s are 32. 264. That is the circumference of the circle is equal to 264 meter. Then what is that? You know that already I told diameter is given. How do you find the circumference of the circle? 5D units. If you have 5D is equal to what do you find? To find the diameter of the race course only. Therefore, you are going to apply 5D is equal to 264 meter. Then D, the pi is equal to 22 by 7 into D is equal to 264. D is equal to 264 into, that is 7 by 22 in that is we have to multiply 22 by, next you have to see 264 into is the reciprocal. 22 by 7 means 7 by 22. Can you understand all of you? Is using the second table. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Then using the 11th table, 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 13 la balance. 13 minus 11, 2 only, 22. So, how many times? 2 times. 2 11s are 22. But 12 into 7, how much? 12 7s are 84 meter. Therefore, the diameter of the race course is equal to 84 meter. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Next, we are going to see on the third question. A path 2 meter long and 1 meter broad in a constructed around a rectangular ground of a dimension 120 meter and 90 meter respectively. Find the area of the path. We know that the rectangular 2 meter mean path long and 1 meter path on the broad in constructed around a rectangular ground of dimension 120 meter into 90 meter respectively. Find the area of the path. So how do you find the area of the rectangular path? We know that area of the rectangular path is equal to capital L into B minus small l into b. Is a capital L into b, we have to find out. How do you find that one? Capital L into b. Length of the rectangular cone L is small l is equal to 120 meter. Breadth means small b is equal to 90 meter. Length of the path W1 is equal to 2 meter and length of the path W2 is equal to 1 meter. So length of the ground with the path capital L is equal to small l plus 2 into W2. That is 120 plus 2 is equal to 120 plus 2 is equal to 122 meter. Next one, capital breadth capital B is equal to breadth of the ground with path B is equal to L plus 2 W1 units. 90 plus 2 into 2 meter is equal to 90 plus 4 equal to 94 meter. That is area of the path is equal to L into B minus L into B square units is equal to 122 into 94 minus 120 into 90. 122 into 94 is equal to, that is 120 into 94 is equal to 11,468. 11,468 minus, that is 120 into 90 is equal to 10,800. 10,800. This is minus, you have to 8 minus. Then area of the path is equal to 122 into 94 minus 120 into 90 meter square. Is 8 minus 0, 8. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 8, it is not possible. Borrow from the next column. Cut 1, you have to put it 0. Then borrow from this here is 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 means what is 6. Therefore 668 meter square. That is, you know that all of you, 11,468 minus 10,800 equal to 668 meter square. Therefore area of the path is equal to 668 meter square. Next, question number 4. The cost of decorating the circumference of a circular lawn of a cows at the rate of rupees 55 per meter is rupees 16,940. What is the radius of the lawn? That is we are going to the same model for question number 2. Here question number 2, you are going to ask in diameter of the race course, here radius of the lawn. So how do you find the cost of decorating the circumference equal to rupees 16,940. The cost of decorating per meter. Per meter means what? 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to rupees 55. Then next is the length of the circumference is equal to rupees 16,940 divided by 55 is equal to 308 meter. Can you understand all of you? That is 308 meter. That is circumference of the circular lawn equal to 308 meter. That what you find to find the radius of the lawn. Therefore circumference of the circle, radius is given. How do you find the circumference of the circle? Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units. Therefore 2 pi r is equal to 308 meter. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r is equal to 308. Next r is equal to 308. That side 22 by 7 going to the reciprocal 7 by 22. 2 by 1 can be written as 1 by 2. That is how to write it. That is 308 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. Can you understand? So first 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 balance 1, 2 5s are 10. Next 2 4s are 8. Next 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Here 2 7s are 14. Again 2 7s are 14. That's the balance 1. That is here 11 ones are 11. 11 7s are 77. Okay. That is 7 into 7 what? 49. So R is equal to 49 meter. So radius of the lawn is equal to 49 meter. Can you understand all of you? What? Can you understand how do you find that one? Radius of this one. Okay, radius of the lawn. How do you find that one? Next we are going to see the next sum. That is the fifth sum. We are going to see the fifth sum. That is 4 circles are drawn side by side in a line and enclosed by a rectangle as shown below. If the radius of each of the circle is 3 cm, then calculate first question number 1 the area of the rectangle, second one the area of each circle, third one the shaded area inside the rectangle. Is what is given in this problem is a radius of the circle. Radius of the circle, each circle is 3 cm. That is 2 times circle means diameter. That is called given radius of a circle R is equal to 3 cm. So you have to find the diameter of the circle. Diameters of the circle mean 2 times R. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 cm. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to diameter of the circle. Our breadth is equal to 6 cm. The length of the rectangle is equal to L, capital L is equal to 4 into diameter of the circle. So L is equal to 4 into 6. Our 4 into 6 means L is equal to 24 cm. Next we are going to find the first question, area of the rectangle. How do you find the area of the rectangle? L into B square units, 24 into 6 cm square. Area of the rectangle, 6 4s are what? 24, balance 2. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2, 144 cm square. Second one, area of the each circle. So area of the circle formula pi r square square units. 22 by 7 into R only 3 into 3. R square is there. That is 22 into 9 is equal to 198 divided by 7 is equal to 28.28 cm square. Next, the third question, the shaded area inside the rectangle. That is the area of the shaded equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the 4 circles. This is the area of the rectangle. Already we have to find out 144 cm square. Next, the area of the circle, 4 circle. Already you got it. 1 circle 28.28. Then 4 circle means 4 into 198 by 7 cm square is equal to 144 minus 792 divided by 7. So 144 minus 130 that is 192 divided by 7 means how do you find that one? Is 792 divided by 7 is equal to 7 ones are 7. Next 7 ones are 7. How many times? That is balance 2. How many times? 3 times. Okay. 21 is the balance 1. How many times is that? 1 time. Okay. Next balance 1 times. So 7 ones are 7. Again 7 ones are 21. 7 3s are 21. Balance 1. Then 3. 30. How many times? 7 4s are 28. Can you understand? Now that's the answer. how do you find that? 144.00. Okay, well, here after the decimal point 2 digits are there, that is 113.14. Okay, can you understand all of you? That is so 10 minus 4 means 6. Here 9 minus 1 means what? 8. Point. 4 minus 3, 1. That is 4 minus 1. Here, borrow from here, cut 3, 0. Okay, 30. Then 4 minus 1, 3. 30 minus 8, 6. That's the answer is 30 minus 8, 6 or 8, 5. Both are equal only. You have to write that one. Okay, va? Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now, thank you, children. Is chapter 2 over. You have to find out the upcoming slip test. You must study all the exercise 2.1 fully and exercise 2.2 also fully. You have to chapter 2 over. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay at home safely. Okay. Thank you, children.